All right, now to learn in just about any other device, it's going to be a very similar process. You'll come over to the device menu. You're going to hit the circle in the upper right-hand corner, orange circle. You're going to go, in this instance, we'll do a camera, down to the camera menu. A lot of times it'll automatically pop the camera up if you put it in pairing mode. And in this instance, you can just hit add. It's going to automatically detect the camera and get it all learned in. Now on the cameras, there's a button on the back that you're going to want to push. Now you're going to hold it down for about 5 seconds, and what that's going to do is automatically reset the camera. You'll hear a couple of voice prompts along the way. You may have heard that in the background. But there you go. You've got the camera learned in now, and you're going to be able to jump in here and automatically control it. Now to add in a camera, what you'll do is you'll come to the device menu. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll hit Add Device. On the left-hand side, you're going to go to the Camera menu, and then you'll push the Smart Camera option. Now at this point, you'll need to make sure that you have pushed the reset button on the back of the camera. Hold that down for about 5 seconds to put the camera itself into pairing mode. Once you've done that, the camera itself should be ready. You'll hit the Next button. Enter the Wi-Fi information. Again, make sure this is a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network that you're connecting to. You'll hit Next, and then what you're going to do is you're going to hold the camera. You might have heard those voice prompts in the background, but you'll hold the QR code that this generates in front of the camera for a few seconds. At some point, you're going to hear a prompt. As soon as you do, you push that button, and it'll bring it to the section of the process where it's getting everything set up. This should take less than about 30 seconds. And now once you've got it all set up, it's connected and it's ready to go.